It's summer! We love summer, and to celebrate, we created an essential oil recipe box designed around the theme of summer. If you're a new subscriber, your recipe box will come inside your free big bonus box.
Or every 6 months you get another free big bonus box.
All of our recipe boxes come with 4 full-size essential oils plus 6 recipes created by aromatherapists. In this month's box, we have mandarin, which has a wonderful orange, fruity, citrusy smell. Citronella, famous for its natural ability to ward off insects. Lemongrass, it has a very strong, sharp lemon aroma. And our Good Vibes blend, which is florally and fruity, perfect for summer. Let's talk about the extras in this month's box. We always share 6 recipe cards and stickers. You also get a PET grade plastic spray bottle, which is safe to use with essential oils over and over again. 2 paperboard lip balm tubes.
And they're reusable.
Dried peppermint leaves, plus 3 floating wicks. Let's tell them about our favorite recipe. My favorite recipe involves these 3 floating candle wicks. You get to make your own beautiful candles that are long-lasting, and you can customize them to look however you want.
And mine is the peppermint infused oil. I'm really excited about this guy because I sometimes get sunburnt, and I think this is gonna help a lot.
So there's our recipe box, and now for the big bonus box.
Woo! So your big bonus box you get as a new subscriber, and for every 6 recipe boxes, we'll send you another one for free. It comes with beeswax, solid coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, 6 of the 10 milliliter roll-ons for all those roll-on recipes that you're gonna be making in the next 6 months, and 6 of the 5 milliliter bottles for all of the diffuser blends for the next 6 months.
You'll be using these ingredients in your big bonus box to make your recipes come to life. We think you are going to love this summer garden themed recipe box. Hit subscribe for essential oils made easy.
See you later.